Kwanzaa is the 7-day African-American cultural holiday in honor of family, community, and culture created by Dr. Malana Karenge in 1966. Over the holiday season, organization Creating Unity in the Community held Parkchester's annual celebration of Kwanzaa at St. Helena's Church.
We try to incorporate local talent. This year is about the women artists, Mary J. Blige and Bessie Smith. We wanted to honor some of the past and the present.
Well, it's important so that, we have, something to offer our people, African-American people, so that they can celebrate, their harvest of first fruits, so they can have a celebration that's geared more towards commemorating.
One part of Kwanzaa is celebrating it. The other part is doing its practice. Kwanzaa has 7 core principles honoring unity, self-determination, collective work and responsibility, cooperative economics, purpose, creativity, and faith. This year's celebration practiced its 3rd principle, Ujima, cooperative economics, collective work and responsibility, meaning to build and maintain our stores, shops, and other businesses and to profit from them together. Vendors were there selling garments, vegetables, and much more.
Dr. Malana Karenge, when he adopted that in the United States, he really did us due justice because it's not just for African Americans, it's for all people.
Reporting for BronxNet, Ashley Tiffany.